Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Welcome back to Reese's Vlogs. If it's your first, second, third, fourth, fifth time tuning in and you haven't yet subscribed, like, what are you waiting on? Where are we on? Like, click the subscribe button, click the notification bell, comment below what you think about this video. Just comment below what you think it's gonna be about, what you think it's gonna be. At the end, if you're still here, just comment what you learned, all of that. And just click the like button because it's Reese Vlogs and you know it's going to be good. So as you can tell by the title, we're doing Jamaican stew chicken today. As you can tell, it's already been seasoned, right? All that's on it is some browning that gives it the color. Pepper, you can see the pepper seed and down there. So some all-purpose seasoning, which is where the pimento that you see in there came from, scallion, onion, all of that good stuff, thyme, all of that. So right now I'm just going to put a little bit more Maggi seasoning on it. We're just gonna right tonight, people. Now it's no time as usual, no long talking. So a little bit more all-purpose, Maggi all-purpose, and then some pimento. Don't put too much, and then just mix or fry this up. So now the oil, not too much oil, because you know see a stew chicken no need one no bugger oil. So the oil is in the pot, so we're just going to drop the chicken in the pot and make it stew down, get cooked down. So now putting the chicken in the pot. It's just like so. Not really strip it. So now this is what's left in the basin that we seasoned the chicken in. You're not throwing this away, right? So just put this aside, let it stay, and then you see what we'll do with it later. So this is how the chicken is looking now. We're not going to add any extra water. We'll turn down the stove to medium heat, right in the middle, and let it get its own water. So just going to cover it up and let it cook and get its own water. Don't add any water to it. And we're going to let it cook for about 10 minutes, and then we'll come back and look at it. So this is how we're looking after about 10 minutes. So now the seasonings that we had left back, I'm going to add it, plus some more browning and some ketchup. So I added some water to it and put it right in there. And then you can see browning is on it as well to give it that good nice brown color. So this is how we're looking now. I'm just gonna let it simmer, let it cook up, let it cook for about 10 more minutes. I'm not going to add the ketchup just yet. I'm going to wait, let it cook down some more, and then add the ketchup with some more seasoning. So give it about 10 more minutes on medium heat again to cook. So these are the additional seasonings that we're going to add to the pot. So you have some tomato, some pepper, this brown reddish looking pepper. Listen, don't play with it, it's hot. And if you don't know, if you can't take the heat, you already know the rest. Some scallion over here, so, and some onion. This is about 2 sprigs of scallion, 1 tomato, 2 peppers, and about a half or a little bit more than a half onion. So now we're going to add the seasonings to the pot. So now I'm going to add the ketchup. Really, the ketchup is optional, but it gives it a good taste, a good consistency, so why not? You can always skip the ketchup step. So So I added some ketchup. Really, the ketchup is optional. You can always skip this step, but I like to add ketchup to give it a nice little consistency and you know, nice flavoring. So yes, I'm just going to let it cook now for the last 15 minutes. Much minutes this now? 10 minutes first, and the next 10 minutes now, 15 to 20 minutes. Right, because this is a quick pot, so we don't want the chicken to overcook, but we want it to cook just right. So another 15 minutes, 20 minutes the most, and then we should be good to go. So this is how we're looking. It's pretty much done after about 15 minutes. This is how we're looking. So in total the cooking time was 35 minutes. 10 minutes first, next 10 minutes, then 15 minutes, right? And this is how we're looking. The gravy is really thick and nice. The chicken is soft, ready to eat. So if you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Tell a friend to go over to Reese Vlogs. If you have a little friend and him or she don't know for cook, just point him over to Reese Vlogs, make him learn a thing or two. Thank you again for watching, everybody. Peace. And this is it plated.